Hi there. This is the story of Wolf, ticker symbol, and the company name Wolfspeed. Right now the market cap is about $386 million and the price $2.62. In cash, over $900 million. And the most important question is whether this company is a great buy at the current market cap and current price. And the answer, you will find it in this box. During this video, I'll open the box and you'll find the answer here. Now, to understand this business, yes, first we have to look at what they do, how they make money, and what's next. Now, how come the price went up so much in recent days? Well, if you look at the revenue over the last 3 years, 23, 24, 25, somehow stable, 758 million, 757 million, 25. And earnings, quite with minus, big losses, over 300 or 400 million. Here they have some impairments and other restructuring costs. Number of shares, stables. So if you wonder what they do, they design and manufacture silicon carbide products, which are used in EVs, renewable energy, and industrial power systems. So there is quite a need for their products. And their segments, they have two segments: power products and material products, 55% for power products and 45% for material products. Now, what's the catch? If you look at their balance sheet, cash, 955 million, compare this amount with the current market cap, wow, 3x undervalued, right? From this level, you can have a 3x, right? But some people forget about debt. Their current debt, 6.5 billion, according to the latest 10K report. Now, don't rush to judge me. There is more to this debt and also cash. So, when you compare here cash, market cap, you see undervalued. But, as I said, don't rush. On June 30th, 2025, this year, they filed for Chapter 11. What does it mean, Chapter 11? Do you know? Simple terms, they declared bankruptcy. They went bankrupt because of high debt, 6.5 billion current debt, and low demand for their products, if you can believe that. And this happens every time you see high debt compared to their cash and no earnings. The company has high chances to file for bankruptcy. Now, the stock price went up not because they filed for bankruptcy, but because on September this month, the court where they filed for bankruptcy approved their reorganization plan. And you have to look at their plan, what they proposed and what was approved. And it was approved that the debt will be reduced by 17%, a cut from 6.5 billion to 2 billion. Amazing, that's great news. And their interest expense on the new debt to be reduced by 60%. Another great news. And the price went up a lot. So, is it a great buy right now? Don't rush. Remember this, because you have to read a lot of files to find out what does it mean, Chapter 11. Every time a company files for Chapter 11, current shareholders are burnt. And the company has to issue new shares. So, their current shareholders, whether you buy it right now or the past, will get only 3 to 5% of the new company. And now, as they will issue new shares, if you buy now or if you bought in the past, you'll get only 3 to 5% of the new company. Now, the question is, what is the value of the new company? According to the analyst report, they say about 10 to 16 billion dollars. And if you were to get 3% of 10 billion, the value would be around 300 million. And now compare this 300 million with the current market cap 386 million. It's about the same, almost. Market cap is a little bit overvalued. But my question is, can you rely on this expectation that the new company will have a valuation about 10 to 16 billion? I doubt about that. Because they went bankrupt because of low demand, right? Even if they reduce their debt to 2 billion and also their interest expense, look at their revenue. And look at their losses. Again, they have huge losses. They will burn in capex for this year, 2025. For the latest report, they're using capex 1 billion. So they will need a lot of money to fund this business. They haven't succeeded to report a profit. Only if they get a major customer, and they can make some high margins, to deliver some high margins on their revenue. But still, 10 billion valuation of the new company, I wouldn't go with that. I wouldn't buy that. So right now, yes, the price went up, but be aware. This is the value, the best case, in my view, $300 million. The value you get if you buy right now, Wolf. Now, if you believe in their future, you have some insights that they'll gain new contracts, a new customer, or other customers, and increase their revenue and become profitable, then yes, you can buy it. Go ahead. But I wouldn't go with this company at all. Because what they approved can be changed. Their plan can be changed easily after a few months, or they will report an amendment, new changes to the plan. Anything can happen. So to open the box and show you the answer, and I hope you understand it, my answer is here, no. Once they file for bankruptcy, you know that this is not a good business. If you want a great business, you don't see Chapter 11. Chapter 11 means bankruptcy. When you see something like this, go ahead, run away. Now, if you want to stop losing money with companies like this, where you have a lot of debt, demand low, and a lot of losses, so my advice, run away from these companies. You have the opportunity to invest in great companies simply by going to my profile, choose Titan Investor, and there you have access to my portfolio, where I invest in great businesses, undervalued companies. And my annualized return is around 30% a year over the last 3.5 years. So, if you want to stop losing money and make real profits with low risk, not unprofitable companies, high debt, and bankruptcy, simply join my portfolio. And every time I make a transaction, I will make a new video for you. And of course, you can also ask analysis on other companies, in-depth analysis. Plus, you also get access to an investing course. And by joining this level Titan, where you get the highest value, you also have access to Spartan and Gladiator. Here we have business valuation and other rewards. And of course, if you want more, 1 hour coaching call with me, the exclusive level. So that's it for this video. And if you want to increase your returns, join my membership.